In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update the project schedule in Microsoft Project. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring your plan up to date, reflect real progress, and clearly see what still needs attention. First, set the status date. This is the anchor point that tells Microsoft Project, consider progress up to here. Go to the Project tab, click Status Date, choose today's date or your reporting date, and select OK. Pick the date your team is reporting against, often the end of the week or month, so all updates align consistently. Setting this up front prevents confusion about what's considered late, early, or on time. Next, update task progress. You have a few options depending on how much detail you track. The simplest is percent complete. Switch to the Gantt chart in the task view, select the relevant tasks, and enter a value from 0 to 100. For example, 50% means a task is halfway done, and 100% marks it finished. If you need a quick catch-up, select the tasks, go to the Task tab, click Mark on Track, and then choose Update Tasks. This applies progress automatically based on your status date. For more precision, record actuals. Right-click a task, open task information, and enter Actual Start, Actual Finish for completed work, and remaining work for what's left. Use this method when timing and effort need to be accurate for reporting and forecasting. Then, reschedule unfinished work so your plan moves forward correctly. Go to the Project tab, click Update Project, choose Reschedule Uncompleted Work to start after status date, and hit OK. This pushes any remaining work past the status date, preventing incomplete tasks from lingering in the past and clarifying what should happen next. If a task has already started, Microsoft Project may split it, keeping actuals in the past and the remainder in the future, which is expected. Now, review your updated schedule. Switch to the Tracking Gantt view. Here you'll see planned versus actual progress, any delays or early finishes, and an updated timeline. Look for misalignments, long slips, or tasks that now overlap unexpectedly, and confirm that critical milestones still make sense against your new reality. To keep it simple, updating a schedule means telling Microsoft Project what's finished, what isn't, and then shifting the remaining work as needed. Repeat this process consistently at each reporting cycle to maintain a reliable, actionable plan that your team and stakeholders can trust.